Dictation will be start in few seconds. Be ready. Start. Historically, food industry bets for unhealthy status quo like the 1960s US effort to boost cavity prevention did not choose the obvious guidance. Eat less sugar. Instead, industry interests managed to push alternatives such as fight dental plaque. Today in India, the NIN ICMR recommendation to set thresholds for sugar in packaged food and beverages is being called impractical by company executives. The appropriate adjective is imperative. Para. Bitter formula. It felt bitter to be told that Nestle does not add sugar to the infant milk it sells in Europe, but does so in India. Gland food and beverage MNCs do have different quality standards for different countries. But what is no less bitter is that the 2011 dietary guidelines for India actually advised feeding infants 1 teaspoon of sugar per 120 to 180 ml milk feed 6 to 8 times a day. This year's update of the guidelines was most needed. It responds to a science that can no longer be silenced, which has countries from east to west beginning to treat sugar as on the same level of a health threat as tobacco. Rough drink. Setting threshold limits for sugar is a very important first step towards easing Indians' very sore addiction to it. This has to be followed by the much harder work for educating the public about new labeling and monitoring it for accuracy. The recent GOI advisory against the use of the health drink label for some popular brands is also important in this context. A better educated consumer will read the labeling for nutrient details instead of being swayed by health claims. A better monitoring regime will investigate the veracity of such claims 24 into 7. Junk mithai. But what about your neighborhood mithai shop? Maybe there is more than one. Either way, the sugar bombs here are free to explode as they will. No label or threshold inhibits them. Clearly, a lot of the dangerous food habits that are perceived as traditional also need changing. Schools have to play a key role in this transformation. Starting off with good food habits is much easier than fixing bad ones. Thanks for watching.